If you are constantly posting short and getting less than 1000 views, I'm going to show you some few tips that's going to fix that. We are going to talk about the 6 reasons why your short aren't getting picked up by the algorithm. So without wasting too much time, let's get right in. For those who don't know me, my name is Joshua and I run multiple YouTube channels. Actually, I was running 6 Faceless YouTube channels, but unfortunately last December and early this year we got 2 channels demonetized. So actually I'm running 4, and I also have combined channels with some of my business friends. Is a whole lot. So trust me, I've been through all these low views, short not getting pushed up by the algorithm, videos just die without no reason. I've experienced all the frustrating phase that you can imagine when it comes to YouTube. But today I can tell you that I understand exactly how the system works, what matters and what actually don't. So trust me, this video is going to help you a whole lot. So let's dive in. So the reason number 1 is the view ratio. One of the biggest reasons why our short doesn't get pushed by the algorithm is the view ratio of people who actually watch our video versus those who actually scroll past it. YouTube actually calculates this automatically. It compares how many people watch your video and how many scroll to the next shot. You can check this metric in your YouTube studio, and on this current channel right now you are watching me on, the average view ratio is 41% watch versus 59 skipped, which is pretty bad because of course this channel is not a short channel. I just posted 3 random shots on this channel. So if you notice your view ratio is below 70%, there's a high chance that YouTube is not going to push your video, simple because most people who click on your video scroll past it instead of watching, and YouTube actually hates that. For proof, check this shot right here. This shot has 632 views, right? And you can see that it just flat line right here. You can see the line, and when we check the view ratio, it says 41.2, pretty below the 70%. So you can see why I say that if you have below 70%, your short is not going to be pushed by the algorithm, right? So here is a tip. You need to start posting short that are 10 to 20% max, and you need to grab attention right at the start with a strong hook. This is the thing with the YouTube short. Most people prefer 20 to 10-second video, even 5-second video, more than 1 minute or 40-second video. So you've got to catch their attention right at the start. It's very, very important. If you create 10-second video and in the first 3 seconds you can grab the attention of the viewer, 7 seconds is nothing for that person to actually watch. So if you manage to get 80% view ratio on your channel, that guarantees that any shot you post on your channel is guaranteed to go viral. That's just the fact and the math. If you go to your analytics and go to the view ratio of your shot and you can see 80%, I promise you any shot you post on your channel is guaranteed to go viral. But if you have also up to 70%, that's pretty good. But under 70%, you already know what happened. And that brings us to the second reason: a brand new account. Before anything, please answer me this in the comment section. How long has your YouTube channel been around? Because honestly, if you just created a new channel and start uploading shorts, you are making a huge, a big and astronomical mistake. In this case, the chances of YouTube recommending your short are very low. I know it's highly frustrating to hear that, but there's a reason. YouTube has a very strict security system, and when YouTube sees a brand new account posting shorts, it gets suspicious and will limit your reach and will not deliver your short properly. I've seen this, I try on my channel, and I know that this is real. YouTube will actually hold back your views for a very long time. For me, when I left a channel for some few months, like 3 to 4 months, and I come back and I started posting, that's when I see that okay, YouTube now start recommending my shot. But if you create a new shot right now, start posting, bro, you are going to suffer. You are definitely going to give up because you are going to do the right thing, post the right content, but it's not going to be picked up. So if you are going to create a short channel, a very focused short channel, make sure you use an old and active account. It's very important. Or if you create one, don't post anything, just make it active and use it for at least 3 months before start posting anything. But wait, I know the reality of most of you guys. Like I said, this is not a guru talk. I'm sharing and I know exactly how it feels. Okay, I'm sharing my experience and documenting what I do, my lesson and everything. So listen up. I know most of you guys already started posting. So it's not like it's now you want to start. You already started posting. You have some subscribers, but you just want the channel to start growing and all that. So you are asking yourself, this thing you are learning now, can you apply to the channel you already created? What I'll tell you is, if you started, posting for at least 3 months and you've not got like 5,000 subscribers on your channel when it comes to only short, you post only short, many shorts, I'll tell you to restart. Trying to find any new account, maybe family account, and restart. It's better to restart than to be stuck there. I'm telling you. So this brings us to the reason number 3. Your short aren't reaching the algorithm. And honestly, YouTube short algorithm is still not precise, kind of like TikToks. YouTube is still figuring out short, and it definitely have a lot of issue. That simple means that sometimes you can make the perfect video possible, but that video, that short is not going to be picked up by the algorithm. Don't stress about that. It happens to everyone. YouTube is still improving and learning more about short. That's why you can see that they are very focused on short right now, and they are pushing out short more than long form. That's reality. Now, if you are using an older account and you are posting for a while, but you are still getting 100 views, 1,000 views at most, but you are not getting those 100,000 views, 1 million views, 10 million views to start making real money on YouTube, that actually just means that your shorts or your videos aren't reaching the algorithm. And as I said it earlier, it's normal, it can happen. Even me, I have one short channel at 70,000 subscribers, over 70,000 subscribers right now, and I've experienced those things. You still post short at 70,000 subscribers, and those shorts are not even getting 5,000 views. But the channel is very a focused short channel, you see. But here is a simple trick that I use to fix that, and it's very highly efficient. Listen up. When I post a video and the video, I know that is a very good video, but the video didn't get picked up by the algorithm, after 24 hours, if maybe the video got 200 views and maybe the video got stuck, what I do is I'll private that video. And after I privated the video, I'll change maybe the background of the video or few things of the video, you understand, to add more new originality. And then I'll post back that video and release, like delete the one that I privated, the one that got stuck. Remember, it's the same video. Nothing change, is the same video, but that second video will perform better. I did it several times and that video got more and million views that I can't even keep up with how many views it's getting per minute. And that simple clarify what I said earlier. You can post the best video, but the video will not get picked up because of a system issue or I don't know. So if you try it again, same video, but that video might be your most viral video, but you already posted before and it didn't perform. So you see, sometimes it's not your video. So take it easy. Sometimes you might post the best video but you're not perform. It's not your fault. It's the delivery issue from the YouTube short algorithm. But now, if you don't know how to use tags the right way, that's where the problem might be your fault. And that's exactly why YouTube might not be recommending your shorts. And that brings us to reason number 4, incorrect tags. And just like long form content, if you really want your short to get more views, you need to make sure it reach the right audience. And to do that, especially when it comes to new channel, when you are starting out, it's crucial to use the right tags. And I actually have a tags formula that I use and I'm going to share it with you in today's video. So you need to split your tags into 2 parts. The first one is specific tags, which is about exactly what we are going to talk about, and the other one is broader tags. So what does each mean? Let's break it down. So let's say your channel is about football, so you want to add specific tags related to what you are going to talk about. So imagine you are going to talk about best CR7 moment, which is Cristiano. So you might use tags like CR7 best moment, CR7 football goat, CR7 best goals, best CR7, and etc. You know all that. But now when it comes to broader tags, you want to use tags like football, best football moment. It's not more specific, but you understand it's broader. Football, best football moments, the best football players in the world, and so on and so on. So the broader tags actually helps you to reach a wider audience. And you should use at least 3 tags in each category. Doing this will actually help your short get in front of more people. And that's exactly what brings us to reason number 5. And pay close attention because this one is pretty serious. You are posting too many shots. Posting too many shots can actually hurt your channel. Let me explain. Here's exactly what you need to understand about YouTube. When you are starting out, it's crucial to post at least a maximum 1 video per day, not 2, just 1. Unless of course you already have a large and a well-established channel, you might post 2, 3, 4 shots per day. But don't forget, this only applies to shorts. But if you have less than 50,000 subscribers, your channel is not already monetized, you're not getting millions and millions of views, I only recommend you to post only one shot per day, and this is why. It takes a lot of time to YouTube to actually pick one video, and you know how difficult it is to make only one shot get picked up by the algorithm. So imagine you posting just 3 4 videos, 3 shots per day, just saying that you want some video to go viral, and the other one, if they don't perform well, you unlist them, or that, bro, you are hurting your channel severely. And that's exactly what brings us to the final step and the reason number 6. You actually don't know how to create viral shot, and this actually frustrates me. A lot of people skip a critical step, which is learning the art of creating viral content, learning the art of creating videos that keep people watching, learning the art of crafting a script that grab people attention, learning the art of editing a video that hook the viewer's attention from the beginning to the end. That's what make a video perfect, bro. When you do this right and you know how to do this properly, trust me, any video you post is guaranteed to go viral effortlessly because you already have the source in your hands. You know how to make people stay, and that's exactly what we are waiting for, what YouTube is waiting for, to push viral videos. So that simple means that everything we learn in this video, if you actually don't know how to do this, how to create a better content, none of these things we learn that actually will help you, will make a huge difference on your channel. That's just the truth. And that's why I want you to tell me in the comment section if you want me to make a video, a step-by-step guide, or give you my style of shot that I use to get more views on YouTube, to create faceless channel, monetize them in weeks, in days, and make a lot of money. I'm going to break down exactly the strategy I use for shorts, how I create content, and like every secret when it comes to shorts. If you're understanding, I promise you, 1 week, 2 weeks, 1 month, it's just what you need to start generating income on YouTube, which is monetizing channel. If I see the demand, I'm going to execute that video. So that's it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, take care to Joshua. Peace out.